somo nyakoro mga juang duol mandiko jopuonj pacho ka TSC pod orem duoko penjo duto manyocha idwane gi duoke enyim komiti mar od bura marango chenro mag somo.
Juma mokalo komiti nonyicha ne omiyo TSC thuolo mar dhi timo nonro kendo kelo duoko makare ewi ndiko mar jopuonj loko jopuonj kitero e gwenge maok girwako e kind weche mamoko.
Apisas mag TSC ma ochopo e nyim komiti no kawuono kone kaka yo mar jiwo somo mar grade mar 7 gichiwo japuonj achiel ne klas ka klas e counties duto ma pachoka.
Duono kata kamano ok ochiwo ler ewi penjo mar gima omiyo ne ok gindiko jopuonj 6,000 makojolo mane owinjore ondiki tich e bwo budget mane oseket ne gitenge.
Bende duol no medo thuolo kendo nyaka juma manyien mano mar chwalo report makamano.
Distributed the vacancies for junior secondary based on the number of grade 7 classes in the country. Chair, there will be 30,550 grade 7 classes in the entire country. 30,350. Accordingly, the Commission has allocated 1 teacher per class for all the 30,550 grade 7 classes countrywide. The applications deadline has been extended from 10th of December to Friday, 23rd of December, as opposed to 19th, which was in the earlier advert.
Interns who are supposed to be recruited, the 6,000 interns who are supposed to be recruited from June from June this year. Why did the TSC hold these 6,000 interns when the suffering and the gap in teaching is evident in all our counties?
What we also did is that because there are some interns teachers who apply for PNP, we did therefore give them an opportunity. Those who will not have been taken, deemed to have a chance, so that after analysis of the reporting of the teachers, then they can also apply. Because recruitment of teachers is not an event, it's a process.
I don't find it sincere. Chair, the chair of TSC should own up that the commission was not ready to undertake the recruitment and they did not know what they are doing.